Alright, closing in on the halfway point of another week of March. March 11th, 2025. CN Hayes here, 9:27. Coming to you from West Ladysmith on the Canadian Nationals Barents Main. I'm post 128.8 with the video lined up for you. Gonna have another move happen on the Barents Main here, as it will meet the 519 that's currently out on the Barents Main at this time. So I'm sure authority for the 519 is going to be cancelled and have a new one from milepost 110 to milepost 87. So here is the move of this westbound. See who's doing the honors as we'll lean back and get him. Alright, looks like 775 is here. Tier 4 to lead it. $30.91 to lead it, and the return of the new 3402. How about that? So off rolls away the power move departure of today's S775 81 of the 11th, and we'll do it for the 3091 and the new 3402. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and Hayes out.